When is the right time to wean the nipple shield? How to begin weaning of nipple shield? When to change the nipple shield? Hi, I'm Prachi. I'm lactation consultant from online lactation clinic Prachi Lactation. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to wean the nipple shield. In the previous videos, we have discussed when to use the nipple shield and how to use the nipple shield. The right time to wean the nipple shield is when baby is comfortable breastfeeding using nipple shield on both sides. Now, once the breastfeeding with nipple shield is established well, then after a week or two, you can try initiating the weaning process. For weaning the baby from nipple shield, first try to breastfeed the baby without shield at the end of the breastfeeding session. So, it will be mainly non-nutritive sucking. Eventually, once the baby starts getting comfortable, then remove the shield 5 or 10 minutes before the breastfeeding is over. So, let the baby suck towards the end of the feed without nipple shield. If that works out well, then eventually cut down the time with the nipple shield during breastfeeding to half. So, after half the feed, you can remove the nipple shield and try to latch the baby normally. If that works out well, then you can eventually start trying to breastfeed without nipple shield, at least for some sessions when the baby is willing to do it. Now, for this, if mother has inverted nipples, then it is possible that even if you do this process, sometimes the nipple is not coming out to directly latch the baby. So, in that case, you can also use breast pump and bring the nipple out temporarily and then latch the baby. Once baby starts sucking, the nipple will stay out. Nipple shield has to be replaced if the shield becomes loose and doesn't fit properly, or if there is a damage to the shield or the shield is cracked. So, this was all about weaning the baby from nipple shield. We will see you again with another video on breastfeeding, mixed feeding and formula feeding. If you like this video, do consider subscribing.